Welcome back to Blue Pen Land here. So we're trying to find the force on A, right? And so there's going to be a force of C on A, right? And that's going to be, this is a positive charge, that's a positive charge, right? They're all going to repel A, right? So this force is going to be this way. Right, and then there's going to be a force of B on A, which is going to be this way. Okay, well, the force of C on A, this is, 40, that angle there is 45 degrees. Because it's, let's see, C is 2 over 2 down, right? But let's see, what is this angle here? We can find this angle. So what is that angle there? Let's see, we can figure this out. I think it's the same angle here, right? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 1 over 4 down, right? Right, so that angle right there, this big guy here, theta FBA, is tan minus 1. The opposite side is 4 over 1, right? So let's figure that out. I'm expecting it to be a big angle. Inverse tan of 4 divided by 1. 75.96 degrees. There it is. So that's what this angle is right here. This little angle right here is 45 degrees, right? Okay, so let's figure this out. Let's go the force of B on A is equal to, and this is a charge, right? So it's going to be KQQ over R squared. So it's going to be 8.999. And B is 780 microcoulombs. And A is 560, right? Okay, so let's see. That is over, let's see, B is 1 over 4 down, so 1 squared plus 4 squared. Is that right? Okay, so let's just double check. Do we do it right? B is 780, yep. A is 560, and then it's 1 squared and 4 squared. And really it's the square root of that whole thing squared. But it's, we don't need to do that. Okay, so this is, let's see. This is, I'm going to go alpha F1. So 8.99 E9 times 780 E minus 6 times 560. E minus 6, and then I'm over 1 squared plus 4 squared. All right, that's 230.99 newtons. And this is, let's see, what is that angle? It is left and down. It's at an angle of 75.96 degrees below the x-axis, right? You're left and down, 75, that angle right there. All right, so we got that. Let's figure out the force of C on A. That'll be 8.99 E9. C is, what is C? C is 450. And A is 560. All right. And then let's see, C is 2 over 2 down, so it's 2 squared plus 2 squared. Okay, so I'm going to go edit this expression I just made. Let's go down here and make that 2. Make this guy 2. 560 stays. This is a 560. But the 780 is now a 450. So I just take this expression and edit it. I'm so lazy. Okay, here we go. We got it. I think we do. Boom. 283.185 newtons. And this guy is left and down. Right, so it's gonna have, these both have two negative components, right? And this is at 45 degrees below the x-axis. Okay. So I guess we're going to do our vectors up here. We'll draw our picture down here, right? It's very, space is at a premium. Okay. So let's go FBA, FCA, and then the sum. Okay, let's go X component here, Y component there. All right, I think we're ready to go. Let's rock and roll. Okay, so B, let's see, FBA. This guy is going to be, okay, there we go. So we got a component this way, right? A little bit to the left, and then down, right? Okay, so it's going to be FBA is at, let's see, that's 230.99. And then that's going to be cos of 75.96. All right, so let's do that. It's 230 cos. Let's find that angle. There it is. All right. So it's 56, but it's to the left, right? So it's negative 56.023 newtons in the x direction. It's negative because it's down and to the left, right? So it's to the left. Left is negative. It's also that if we go from the tail to the tip, we go left, then down, right? Okay, so now I'm going to take that same expression. I'm going to do 230.99 sine of 75. All right, so I'm just going to go boop and change that cos to a sine. And this is 224.093. So negative 224. And that's in the y direction. Which makes sense. We'd expect that to have a lot more y component than x, right? All right, so here's the components of FCA. We go to the left. And then from there we go down. You can almost draw that, right? Okay, and this is 45 degrees, so they're the same, right? So this will be 283.185 cos 45. Okay, so let's find that. There's that number. Boom, cos 45. 200.242. So this is to the left. So negative 200.242 in the x direction, right? And then that's newtons, right? And then this is negative 200, because it's down, right? This component's down. 0.242 in the y direction. Okay, so now let's add these guys up. Let's go the opposite of this 200 plus the opposite of that 56 number. This is negative 256.265. And that's newtons in the x direction. And then let's add these guys up. That's going to be the opposite of the 200.24 guy plus the opposite of the 224 one. And that's negative 424.335. This number is negative 424.335. That's in the y hat. All right, we're almost there, man. Okay, so now all I have to do is draw a picture of this guy. So we're going to go left a little bit and then down a lot. Okay, so here we go. Let's do it. Left. Down more than that, right? And then it's this way, right? Okay, let's find this angle just for kicks. that angle right there, that theta, is tan minus 1. Okay, so this side is 256.265. This side here is 424.335. So it's inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent, right? So 424.335 over 256.265. Okay, so second tan that divided by, what's that other one? 256 point, there it is, okay. I'm really spacing out here, okay. 58.9 degrees. There we go. And then the magnitude of this is the square root of 424.335 squared plus 256.265 squared. So I'm going to go square root. I got to put these in parentheses. This is so annoying. I'm going to write a nasty letter to TI. Okay, plus this guy. Whoops, I got to do the parentheses first. That guy squared. 495.714. Right, so the magnitude of that is 496 newtons with 3 sig figs. The angle here is this. I've drawn it, it's down and to the left. I've labeled the magnitude 496 and I've labeled that angle 58.9. Happy hunting.